One man's grief built a monument to outlast empires. This is history's moments. This is the Taj Mahal. The Mughal Empire ruled most of the Indian subcontinent from Agra under Emperor Shah Jahan. In 1631, his wife Mumtaz Mahal died in childbirth. Shah Jahan was inconsolable in his grief. The couple had married in 1612. By 1628, Shah Jahan ruled a vast empire and now faced a devastating loss. Chronicles describe him vowing to build a tomb unlike any the world had seen. Tradition holds Mumtaz asked 4 promises: build the tomb, never remarry, be kind to their children, visit her grave yearly. Shah Jahan chose land on the Yamuna River in Agra. Construction began in 1632. He summoned talent from across his empire and beyond: stonecutters, calligraphers, sculptors, and masons. A board of architects led by Ustad Ahmad Lahori oversaw the project, though his exact role is debated. White marble traveled 200 miles from Makrana, hauled by wagons and an estimated 1,000 elephants. Instead of wood, workers built a massive brick scaffold mirroring the tomb itself. At its heart rose a marble dome nearly 75 feet tall, on a drum 60 feet wide. A gilded finial crowned the dome, its crescent moon motif common in Islamic architecture. 4 minarets rose at the corners, tilted slightly outward so a collapse would fall away from the tomb. Artisans inlaid the marble with jade, turquoise, and lapis, using a technique called pietra dura. Calligrapher Amanat Khan inscribed Quranic verses on the gateways, sized to look uniform from below. The mausoleum bordered a Persian-style charbagh garden, mirrored in a long reflecting pool. In 1643, Shah Jahan marked Mumtaz's 12th death anniversary at the unfinished tomb. It was finished by 1648 and a full complex by 1653. Over 20,000 workers had labored for 2 decades at an estimated cost of nearly 32 million rupees. But the empire soon turned on itself. When Shah Jahan fell ill in 1657, his sons went to war for the throne. Aurangzeb won in 1658 and placed his own father under house arrest in Agra fort, across the river from the Taj. From the marble Musamman Burj Tower, Shah Jahan could see the tomb he built, and, by tradition, watched it for the rest of his life. For 8 years, the man who once ruled an empire lived as a prisoner, his days marked only by that view. Shah Jahan died in January 1666. His body was ferried across the Yamuna by boat to rest beside Mumtaz Mahal at last. His tomb sits off-center next to hers, the one break in an otherwise symmetrical building. As Mughal power crumbled, the tomb suffered too. 18th century raiders reportedly stripped its silver and gold fittings. During the 1857 uprising, looters pried precious inlaid stones from its walls and the emperor's own cenotaph, causing damage to the original marble. By 1908, Viceroy of India Lord George Curzon completed a major restoration. His English-style lawns replaced the original garden. Claims that Shah Jahan mutilated his workers or planned a black tomb across the river are disputed by historians who have found no evidence for either. In later conflicts, the dome was reportedly wrapped in bamboo, though some records suggest it was simply repair work. Today, pollution yellows the marble, prompting mud pack cleanings, while a protected zone and UNESCO status guard its future.